Hey guys, I'm Chris from Uppercut Deluxe and I'm excited today to share with you our brand new shave range. The Uppercut Deluxe Shave Range is a collection of 5 holistically designed products to cater for all skin types and shave routines. So the first product in the lineup is the exfoliating cleanser. This cleanser is designed to gently cleanse and detoxify the skin, preparing it for the closest shave possible. But it can also be used as a standalone cleanser even if you don't shave. And next up we've got a choice of 2 shave products. The first is the Deluxe Shave Cream. So this product is a nod to the old school classic traditional shaving routine. It develops a rich creamy lather for a close and comfortable shave and is perfect for people with sensitive or dry skin. And the other shaving product is our Clear Shave Gel. So the Clear Shave Gel is a more modern day approach to a shaving product. It's very lightweight and will give you a very smooth glide with your razor. Its transparent nature means it's perfect for lining up your beard or can help you get a really precise all-over shave. The ingredients in this one make it perfect for normal and oily skin types. Following a close shave with aftercare is probably the most important part of a shaving routine, which is why we have developed the Hydrating Moisturiser. So this contains a custom soothing complex which is going to add long-lasting moisture and protection to your skin, and because we chose oil-free ingredients, it's going to have a non-shine matte finish. Then the final piece to the collection is the Aftershave Cologne. Now the Aftershave Cologne features our cult classic North fragrance, which was really popular back in the day, but we've reformulated it now in a low alcohol formula, so this means it's perfect for sensitive skin and it's perfect for finishing a shave routine. For more information about the shave range, check out the individual product videos or head to uppercutdeluxe.com.